Guys, F your 9 to 5 job. Look, you need to find a way to escape. Now, I myself used to work a 9 to 5 job back in the UK. I used to work for Argos, World Duty Free, Sky, right? Before I decided, you know what, I had enough of this life. I'm tired of giving my time to someone else. So I took the biggest risk of my life. I quit my 9 to 5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. And now, just over 2 years later, I make well over 6 figures a year. I have financial freedom and life is comfortable, right? And all of this happened because I decided to quit my 9 to 5 job. Guys, your 9 to 5 job is only there to control you. Your 9 to 5 job is only there to keep you broke, and your 9 to 5 job is only there to keep you obedient, okay? I remember once we were working for Sky, right, and we had to kind of take calls back to back, right? It was a call center. And I remember the manager getting onto me because I took 1 minute extra in lunch. Guys, let's understand this for a second. I took 1 minute extra on lunch, and she got onto me. She was like, why are you taking all that time? X, Y, Z. I was like, it's 1 minute, like chill out, it's not that deep. No, but they get onto you for even 1 minute of your time. And I'm sat there thinking, what is this? Am I in school? Like, is this prison? Why am I being treated like a flipping idiot, you know? 1 minute? You're gonna really get onto me for 1 minute extra? I realized at this point, now, I cannot keep living my life like this, right? And I remember once that happened, I kind of did the other way around. I remember saying to one of the managers at the time, I was like, listen, I had a call, right? It ran 3 minutes over. You know, can I claim that 3 minutes back? And yes, I was being a little bit petty, to be honest. But this is how they treated me, right? So I was like, can I claim those 3 minutes back? And he was like, oh, really? 3 minutes? You want to claim 3 minutes back? And I was like, well, if it was the other way around, you'd get onto me for taking 3 minutes extra on my lunch or my break. But if I give you guys 3 minutes extra time after work, I should just be doing that anyway. It's not that deep. It's like, come on, man, what's these double standards? Guys, that's why I decided I am never going to work a 9 to 5 job again. I quit my 9 to 5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. And I wanted to start an online business, right? Even when I came to Dubai, I was looking for jobs. But just because I couldn't get a job, right? I went full in on my online business and it completely changed my life. And now, as a business owner, as someone that is an entrepreneur, that makes money online, having freedom, don't have to listen to anyone, work for myself, it is miles, miles better doing what I'm doing now. And I cannot believe that I ever worked a 9 to 5 job, knowing the information I know now. This is why I wanted to create this video and tell you guys, you know what? F your 9 to 5 job. Like, if you truly want to quit, it is so easy to do so. All you've got to do, and I'll tell you guys what I did. When I moved to Dubai, and when I tried to do YouTube full time, and I was doing that for a while, and I realized I didn't really like it, I then started a coaching business, right? And I've always wanted to do a coaching business. I kind of seen how it works. I was involved with a friend that was doing it. I decided I'm going to start a coaching business, right? So what did I do? I hired a mentor. Now, bear in mind, I didn't have much money at the time. Whatever money I had, I invested into this mentor. I was like, you know what? I want to change my life. I want to do something different. So I invested the money that I had with this mentor. Within the first month of doing that business, I made 10 grand. And I realized from there, okay, cool. This is so easy to do. And I'm just going to completely just stick to this and start helping other people do exactly the same. And that's why now I run an online coaching business. So just a quick one, if you guys are looking for one-to-one help, well, I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. Now, once I understood how to make money online, once I understood how life is good when you make money for yourself and when you make money online, because guys, because of the freedom I have, I get to work wherever I want. I'm in Dubai right now, obviously, this is where I live, but I can go back to the UK and work, I can go to Qatar and work, you know, I can go on holiday and still work, I can go to the beach and still work, I can go to a coffee shop and still work. I'm not tied down to any geographical location. I do whatever it is that I want to do, and this is exactly why I got into this online business space in the first place. Because when I was working my 9 to 5 job, and you guys can tell me if I'm wrong or not, but you know when you wake up in the morning and you just feel that heaviness in you, and you're just like, I can't be bothered to go to work. I can't be bothered to see my colleagues. I can't be bothered to see my boss, right? I can't be bothered to go to work and work 12 hours and come home exhausted. I used to feel this all the time, right? And I remember waking up early every morning when I was working my 9 to 5 job, and that heaviness when I got up, it was just too much for me, to the point where I used to feel really depressed, right? Really sad that I'm doing this. Like, I'm like, surely there's got to be a better life than this, right? But I didn't know any better. Just like most of you guys watching this, you don't know any better. So what do? You just do what everyone tells you to do, right? You get up, you go to work, you work all those hours, you come home with what, maybe 2-3 grand a month, 4 grand a month. And then you're just like, what is this? What is this cycle that I'm constantly doing? And what happens is, like, if you guys understand the history of a 9 to 5, The 9 to 5 system came into place to create good factory workers. And school and university prepares you for the 9 to 5 life. Because you got to understand, school is very much like a 9 to 5 system, right? You have breaks, you have lunch. You know, before you want to, if you want to speak, you got to raise your hand. If you want to go to the toilet, you need to ask your teacher if you want to go to the toilet. You know, it's very controlled. You go to school between what, 9 and 3 or 9 and 4, whatever it is. Very much like a 9 to 5 system, right? So this is what they do. They use school to program you to think like a 9 to 5 employee. They then take you to university, which puts you in debt, right? And then you got to work that 9 to 5 job to pay off your debt. This is how the system corrupts you into doing this, okay? And I followed this system for a long time. The only reason I did is because I was told my whole life, the best thing to do, you know, study hard, go to university, get a degree, and then you'll get a nice job and you can live comfortably, right? And I realized after that, I did all of that for my parents anyway, like regardless, even now, if I had to go to university for my parents, I would have done it, it's not a problem. But I know myself, university is not going to take me to where I wanted to go. And I even told my mum this at the time. I even said to her, look, this degree is for you, but where I want to go and what I want to achieve, I don't need this piece of paper. And I had this conversation with my mother, and I told her this very clearly. And obviously now I'm doing what I'm doing. I never needed the degree in the first place. So it's all a trick, right? The system was created to keep you guys enslaved. And they've tested different hours, you know, working 30 hours a week, 40 hours a week, 50 hours a week. They created the 40-hour week because it's enough for you to be too tired, right, to kind of do anything outside of it, but not tired enough that you're not productive at work, right? So they've done this very, very carefully. This is why after your 9 to 5 job, it's very difficult for you to try and start something, right, like an online business, all that kind of stuff. And then you go to the weekends and then you just live for the weekends, right? Because you never have time off. So you think, okay, weekends have come. I'm going to enjoy myself on the weekends. Guys, this is what's going to keep you broke. When I was working my 9 to 5 job, when I was broke, when I wasn't making much money, and I knew I had to start an online business, I did not care about fun. I did not care about, you know, sleep as well. I just decided, you know what, I'm going to go full on my online business. At the time, I was working on my online business. I was trying to do YouTube full time, right? So I was working on my online business at work, during my lunch at work. When I got home, I remember I slept like 3 hours across 3 days, and I had 12-hour shifts across those 3 days as well. I was so exhausted, I was so tired, but I was so determined that I am not going to work a 9 to 5 job for the rest of my life. I knew this. I even told people at work. I remember even having a conversation with this one woman who came in the elevator, right? And she was saying to me, what are you doing for lunch? And I said, listen, I'm not having lunch. I'm just going to go to the car and just do some work on my laptop. And she's like, yeah, but it's your lunch, you know, you should take some lunch, blah, blah, blah. I was thinking in my head, like, I don't want to be here next year like you guys, right? I've got bigger plans. Obviously to her, I said, listen, I've got to do work and I've got to work on this and I'll grab lunch later. It's not a problem. So even my mindset was different to the people I was working with, because all they thought about was working their job, maybe getting a promotion, maybe applying for that bigger role, you know, all that kind of stuff. I was never interested in that. I was like, okay, cool, you make another 10 grand or 5 grand extra a year, 40% of that goes to the government anyway. So what's the point? You know, so I was like, sod all of that. You're still working for someone else, right? You've just got, you know, you're just in a higher position, but the pyramid scheme is still there. You still have bosses above you and bosses above you and bosses above you. So I was like, no, I'm not going to be doing this. And that's literally the reason why I was like, you know what, F the 9 to 5 job. F doing a 9 to 5 job. Not many people talk about this, right? But forget doing a 9 to 5. It's so easy to make money online. You don't need to rely on someone else. Rely on yourself, right? Why are you going to rely on another man to pay you your salary? Like, come on, guys. You need to do better than this. Start an online business, right? And you can completely change your life. And as I said, I work with people on a one-to-one basis and scale them to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model. So if you guys are interested and you want to start an online business that can genuinely change your life like it has for me and for my clients, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on the call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. But alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail and exactly how it works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.